Hey y'all, it's your girl Angie Say Less, and I'm going to talk to you today about 3 things to take your Airbnb listing from bland to luxury in a matter of minutes. All right. So, the first thing we're going to do is get rid of all those colored sheets, colored comforters. We're going to go ahead and provide our guests with white linen bedroom sets. Okay, that is going to be the first step. The second step you're going to want to do is add a pop of color using a feather down pillow. Yes, guys, it makes a difference with the pillow quality. If you add a feather down pillow, that is a pillow that's going to provide you with that nice karate chop feel in it, and it just gives it more of a luxury feel to any Airbnb listing. The third thing you're going to want to do is add pops of colors when it comes to furnitures. Use more modern decor when it comes to furniture, and you can also add like accent rugs. Those are like my favorite things to turn a room from bland to wow. Like, it just sets it apart from other listings, and this will definitely help increase your views and your bookings on Airbnb. You hit that follow button for more content like this. Hey y'all, Airbnb listing from bland